Alright guys, so we're going to see Inside Out 2. If you haven't seen Inside Out 1, maybe you not. It's about like these emotions controlling this girl called Riley. We're going to see the second version. I was a big fan of the first one, but this one's going to have 5 new emotions. So I'm going to put them on the screen. Anxiety, embarrassment, envy, ennui, and nostalgia. I'm not sure how this is going to go, but we're going to see when we see you in the movie theaters.
Mom and Dad are proud of me.
An oldie but a goodie.
I'm kind.
Aw, that's nice.
I'm strong.
I'm great.
I'm a really good friend.
I'm a winner. Anxiety, stop! You don't get to choose who Riley is. Anxiety? You need to let her go.
Alright guys, so that's the end of our Inside Out 2 video. But I got some questions for you for when you see it. What was your favorite part of the movie and what was your favorite emotion? Personally, I think I like anger, but like maybe there's other emotions coming next in Inside Out 3. But like I always say, oh, I forgot to give the movie rating. Sorry. What I thought about it. It was amazing. I've been waiting so long for Inside Out 2 to come out. Like, I think I watched it like in 2019, and I've been waiting like 4 years for it to come out. And I just want to say I really enjoyed it. I kind of don't want to overdo it, but if I give this a rating, it would be a 10 out of 10. But, like I always say, like the video, make sure you like and subscribe so make sure you never miss a video again. And like I always say, cool with Angel out.